swear this is my holy grail. I'm not here to play with the sun. Kidding, these have been my go-to shoe for the past 2 months. Hoka's for the win. Hi vlog. Good morning everyone. Today we are going back to school shopping. This is not a drill. Coming to you barefaced, no makeup on. We're getting real close and personal. Oh no. Nope. It is too bright. Sometimes you ask me for something. Hate it when you did. Remember every all these I feel like this is not the reason why you're saying all let you see. Yes, we can do a pull through. All right, ready? Best part of the song right here. Forgive me. I'll say you don't need nobody else. Feels like you don't got me, so you feel like you've been by yourself. I just made it to Target, aka the best place in the whole entire world. We're gonna head inside. I actually look really scary right now. I know I got a full 8 hours of sleep, but it does not look like it. For those of y'all who are new to my channel or watching me for the first time, I'm a sophomore in college. I go to Boise State University. However, this fall semester I will be studying abroad and doing semester at sea, which is college on a ship. So excited. I leave in 30 days, which is like, what? How is that even real? And my school situation is gonna look a little bit different. You already don't even need that many supplies as a college student in general, but throw on the fact that we're gonna be on sea, I'm gonna need even less. So today's school supply shopping is gonna look a little bit different than my previous years. Let's go ahead and go in. I wanted to come here at a time where no one would be here. That's why we're going at 9:30 in the morning. Okay, so there's a semester at sea checklist and they said to bring pencils. I don't know why, but I've never been a fan of these ones. I think it's like the grip. So we're gonna go with these. The notebooks that I'm specifically looking for, I need it to be college ruled, but I also kind of want the ones that have like the 5 subject or 3 subjects. I'm only taking 4 classes this semester. I'm thinking less is more, so if I can just get 1 journal, that'll be ideal. Oh my gosh, seeing Target sell Erin Condren is like a full circle moment because all of my planners have been from this brand and it's from Austin. Okay, I'm sorry. Scratch whatever I just said because I found 4 of these perfect little journals and they literally look like semester at sea. So I got a lot of really good supplies, but the one thing that I need left is the clipboard and they don't have it here, so I might go to Walmart. What a successful Target trip. I got everything I needed minus that clipboard, but that's okay. We can totally get that from Walmart. I wonder if Dollar Tree would even have it. Okay, let's do a little haul because I love hauls and I don't want to wait. Ow, crap, that just hurts so bad. And I don't want to wait until I get home. Hey, I'm tired. I also got a new Stanley. Right now, this is my 5th one. I definitely have an addiction to them. This is my first one though with like the sippy cup lid. Usually I have all the straw 40-ounce Stanleys, but I found this one on Dick's Sporting Goods and wanted to try it out. Absolutely love it. I know I said I wanted to do 1 big journal and then kind of have like all the subjects in it, but there were so many cute ones that I just couldn't. This will be good though because then I'll know for each subject this is my journal for it. So I got 4 journals because I'm taking 4 classes and they all remind me of the ocean and semester at sea. In a way it worked out for the better. This is the first one. Also these are all college ruled because we don't do wide ruled anymore. Here's the second one, it's like white. This one reminds me of the ocean the most. And then this last one is a plain black one, but there's still some like ocean pattern going on. I've got a label maker at home, so I'll make it look really, really cute and put the class names on here. Sharpies, I forget where I saw this. Somebody either posted a TikTok or a YouTube video. They were a past Voyager and said that people paid other people for Sharpies to use their Sharpies to just have one because communication is very limited on the ship. Apparently you sign maps, you need Sharpies for just practically anything and everything on the ship. So I bought a bunch, and in case anybody wants to gamble with me, I've got some extra for some trading. Like I said, I got these pencils. I just love this brand. Every single year when I do a back to school haul, I always get these pencils. This alarm clock was only $6, but this was very, very recommended by Semester at Sea themselves. Because there are so many different time changes, they recommend this. I mean, yeah, it was really affordable. It's cute, functional. And then the last thing I got are these Sharpie pens. I used these all my first year of college. Absolutely love them. They just write like butter on paper. It's so, so nice. It's so weird to think that in 30 days, I'm not gonna be here anymore, walking these trails, seeing my friends here. My whole life is going to revolve around a ship. So excited to finally have a roommate, you guys. Like, I think it's gonna be so good and I can't wait to meet her in person. And then just like exploring all these countries. It's just feeling super, super grateful this year that I even get to do this incredible opportunity with Semester at Sea. So you best believe I'm taking advantage of these walks right now. I mean, Idaho is unreal. I meal prepped the other day and made some lemon pepper chicken, brown rice, and corn. So we're gonna have this right now. And usually I like to do a little bit of sauce with it, so soyaki sauce. This is one of my favorites from Trader Joe's. It's like perfect for fish, meat, tofu, all the above. Say hi.
Hello. Who's filming who?
What are you up to today? Tell the vlog.
I've been on calls. Now I'm just running an errand.
So
running
fun.
An errand for you.
Really?
But we'll talk off air.
I just got home from a little workout at the gym. This is my pencil bag that I used during my first year of college. And so I've got some Aquaphor tubes that were in there, this eye contact solution, and then a couple of highlighters. This was also a holy grail. I think I'm gonna keep the highlighters in here, and then we're gonna add a couple of pencils, a couple of these Sharpie pens, the regular Sharpies, and then the leftover I'll just stick with the rest of my suitcase. This will be accessible so I can just easily take it from class to class. Something about smooth writing makes me want to write more and put more effort into school. Since there's only 4 of these, I'm just gonna stick all 4 in here. Got a good variety of some Sharpie highlighters. This is from the pastel pack, and I like the neon stuff. I'm not really sure how room decoration is gonna go because you can't stick anything on the walls. They're very, very strict about that. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to be able to hang something. Maybe I can use double-sided tape, but I'm gonna have to read into the rules on that. Definitely need to run to Walgreens and get a disposable camera because the memories. We're gonna put 4 in here. A tube of Aquaphor, contact drops, and then of course the Tarte lip oil because hydrated lips always. Most important thing, I'm not gonna forget this, but because I'm allergic to everything under the sun, these Benadryl pills are gonna save my life. We're adding that to the pencil bag. This is my Erin Condren planner. It's the leather academic planner and I absolutely love it. I swear by this thing, and I'll link it for you guys down below in case you're interested. So I'm gonna be taking individual and family development, health and wellness, global studies, which is a required class for every Voyager, and then marketing. Kind of like a fun mix of classes. I'm really excited about it. And now we can make the labels for my classes because I just found my label maker. It's been a while since I've used this because I used it when I first moved into my house.
Check, don't call it a comeback, cause my LL stays smooth. I didn't hit you with that full clip, new script, step
So
you in
let's
the eye
shop
with
it.
a toothpick.
Oh my gosh,
Now
it looks
you
so good.
this. About to show you how swing straight does this. I can sit down.
I also decided to print my first and last name, and I'm just gonna stick it right under the class.
Like cancer. Bring it down to lightning.
All right, notebooks are all labeled. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Why does my hair look so short right now? I took a nap and slept in. We're doing homemade dinner. I have some ground beef that I need to make, and I also have some salad mix that is gonna go bad soon if I don't use it. We're gonna start cooking some dinner. Cooking with Caro. Man down, man down. This is the final product. I was snacking on my salad. Is it good?
So good.
Oh my God. Yay!
I got him. I'm sorry.
KK was gripping the pedals with her toes.
The dog.
Insert picture.
Yo, your YouTube. Y'all do not need to know that.
We're gonna go to Blue Cow first, and we're gonna get some froyo because we all have sweet tooths in this family. Illegal. Illegal. And then we're going to Bogus Basin, which is like the big ski mountain, but there is no snow right now. And what are we doing at Bogus?
Watching the sunset. You have to redo that.
This is an everyday occurrence.
Okay, there's sprinklers on the other side of the car, so she has to do this so she doesn't get wet. No sugar added. There probably is.
I don't know which one to do. This is my hardest decision. I'm like
Finding out what aunt she wants to.
it's so good. Oh, this must be new. I did a mix of New York cheesecake and strawberry. What did you do, Kaylee?
Exact same thing. Followers.
KK, what did you get?
Unoriginal. I got tart because I don't love sweet things, but then I put Lucky Charm marshmallows in there and cheesecake bites, so I do like sweet things.
Mine is kind of all rainbow colored now because I added like M&Ms and blueberries.
I'm very unoriginal, guys. I literally copied her. So, but I'm happy about it. Okay, but sometimes those can be so stressful because you have to like go through and pick your own toppings and you just don't know what you want and you're so overwhelmed. So I get why you just kind of did what she did. Thank you for validating me. Of course.
Thank you for The girls clocked the squat.
We did.
We didn't get that on the
no
video.
No better bathroom than the nature. Hello. Oh wait, this is so pretty. Oh.
We're literally on the shred of a rock right now.
She's not kidding. She's literally not kidding. Aww.
Fabulous sunset as always. Boise never disappoints. We've got a wild climber. We were just talking about how the wood chips on the ground literally oh my gosh, they literally give me trauma because these would be on the playground at my school when I was little and they hurt.
You would like fall off the monkey bars onto the brick or the bark onto the bark and
under the
like,
body
scrape yourself. And
he is the moment. It's the next morning and I'm gonna make KK and Kaylee my fall oatmeal bowl, which I actually put my recipe on my Instagram highlights, so you can go on my Instagram after this video and look at it. We ran out of almond milk and that's like a huge ingredient. There's only like literally that much left. So while Kaylee's asleep, KK and I are gonna run to the store and we're gonna go get some almond milk.
Does Caroline have pants on or not? I guess we'll never know. Oh, maybe we will.
Right now. I'm gonna keep it real. Yeah.
Select your method of payment. Touch Go Back if you wish to purchase this item. Continue scanning.
Had to make the girls a little fall bowl.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I've never wanted fall to come so bad.